Every viral moment you see on social media today begins as a tiny signal buried under a mountain of posts, and this project gives you the power to train AI to detect those early sparks before anyone else notices. A social media trend prediction system listens to conversations across platforms, analyzes text with NLP, measures momentum with time series forecasting, and models how ideas ripple through communities using graph networks. Think of it like giving brands a radar that scans the future. This matters more than ever because trends appear and disappear within hours, and companies lose massive opportunities when they react too late. If you are an AI or ML student, this project is a perfect showcase of skills that blend real-time analytics, sentiment modeling, forecasting, and social graph understanding. Recruiters love this because it proves you can convert noisy, unstructured data into insights that guide business decisions. This is the kind of project that grabs attention in interviews, shows technical depth, and demonstrates that you understand how digital culture moves. Trend prediction becomes even more exciting when you look at how widely it is used across industries that shape public behavior every single day. Marketing teams use it to plan campaigns, predict what themes will resonate, and identify creators who truly influence audiences. Media companies rely on these systems to detect rising stories, recommend content, and stay ahead in a competitive race for attention. Financial analysts track social sentiment to anticipate market reactions triggered by emerging topics or viral events. Political organizations depend on trend forecasting to understand public opinion, measure narrative shifts, and adjust communication strategies instantly. In all these spaces, the ability to extract insights from massive streams of text becomes incredibly valuable. Recruiters immediately recognize that this project proves your ability to handle high-velocity data, interpret sentiment shifts, and convert chaotic conversations into clear signals. These skills are rare, and companies reward them because they drive real outcomes. With this project on your resume, you are no longer just learning machine learning. You are solving a problem that every major digital brand cares about. To build a true trend prediction system, you need a practical mix of skills that map directly to real industry workflows. You begin with Python for processing data, automating pipelines, and experimenting with models. NLP helps you clean text, normalize tokens, extract entities, score sentiment, and identify early signals hiding inside millions of posts. Time series forecasting methods like ARIMA, Facebook Profit, and LSTM networks help you understand how conversations rise, peak, and fade. Influence does not spread randomly, so you learn graph neural networks to capture how communities share and relay information, almost like watching waves travel across water. You integrate APIs from platforms like Twitter or Reddit, manage rate limits, and use streaming tools such as Kafka for real-time pipelines. Frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, Transformers, NetworkX, and Elastica give your system power and speed. Add strong communication and pattern recognition skills, and you become the type of candidate companies want for NLP engineering, social intelligence analytics, and real-time ML roles. Now let's convert this idea into a real project you can proudly showcase. You begin by streaming data from APIs provided by Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, or Instagram, capturing posts, comments, metadata, and timestamps. Then you clean the text, remove noise, detect entities, extract hashtags, and run sentiment analysis so the model works with clean, structured features. After that, you engineer deeper signals by measuring engagement, identifying topic clusters, mapping influence through graph structures, and tracking temporal patterns to spot rising conversations. Then you train your models by blending NLP classifiers, time series forecasters, and graph-based predictors to identify trends before they break out. You evaluate accuracy using ranking metrics, run A/B tests, and refine thresholds so predictions improve over time. Finally, you deploy your engine with a dashboard and real-time API on the cloud. Beginners complete this in 7 to 9 weeks. Intermediates finish in 4 to 5. Once done, you have a complete end-to-end AI system. Start building this today and put it on GitHub. This project opens some of the strongest career opportunities in today's digital world because companies depend on trend forecasting to understand culture, protect brand reputation, and plan data-driven decisions. Freshers normally enter as data analysts or junior NLP engineers, focused on sentiment or content analysis. With more experience, you grow into roles like machine learning engineer, social intelligence specialist, or real-time analytics developer. Senior professionals lead influence modeling, audience prediction, or trend research for major brands and media organizations. Companies hiring for these roles include Meta, Twitter, YouTube, ShareChat, Sprinklr, Hootsuite, WPP, Nielsen, Kantar, and top news agencies. Salaries grow quickly because these systems directly impact revenue. In India, junior roles start around 5 to 10 LPA, and experienced engineers earn 18 to 25 LPA. In the US, roles begin near $90,000 and reach up to $160,000 with expertise. With this project, you prove you can analyze culture, interpret behavior, and forecast what the world will talk about next.